Top 5 Tips to learn programming faster. You've taken a big step in mastering programming skills. Let's recap what you've learned. Code daily. Even 20 minutes of coding boosts memory and keeps ideas fresh. Build projects. Apply your skills by creating simple apps like a to-do list. Use Google. Searching effectively and debugging are key programming skills. Write code. Focus on coding snippets instead of just taking notes. Join communities. Engage with others on platforms like Discord or Reddit. Now, apply these tips in your learning. Start coding daily and engage with fellow learners. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips. Let me know what you're learning in the comments.